I am in Photoshop, and I'm gonna go old school on you. I'm already going old school. Like I put these glasses on, not because I need them, just because I don't want John to look smarter than me. So I have these glasses on. I'm also gonna go old school Photoshop, even though today we're doing AI features, right? Like Adobe Firefly is Adobe's artificial intelligence, which is now inside of Premiere, like John showed you, and inside of Photoshop. But before I go there, boom, look at this. Old school Photoshop. I had to do it myself. So I thought, all right, let me show you the new generative fill. We do a little test on the notepads to see if it can do better than me. So I'm going to select the arm, generative fill, just so you know how it works, okay? We kind of select a portion of a space. Usually the outline does or can add some properties to the shape of what you're going to get. And of course, the space within it fits. And I can just put hat. I'm sure sombrero wouldn't fit, but we'll just try generate a hat for me. And we wait.
Here we go. Here we go.
Beautiful.
Yes. Captain is
hello. And now we can see our different versions. Oh my goodness. I didn't even say pirate hat, but I don't know how I got so lucky. I don't know. So be aware that every time I use generative fill, we never know what's going to happen. Even if I plan myself and planned this whole thing out and tested my prompts, we never know. All right. But you get an idea of how it works. I can choose different variations. If I want to generate again, I can, but I don't want to take the time, so I won't. I'm going to turn the hat off, and I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to try to now select this arm using the lasso tool. I'll select around the arm, and I'm going to say koi fish tattoo.
Cool.
Generate. Okay, this is just from Firefly, right? This is in Firefly, kind of like the testing grounds. And now here it is in Photoshop, not just the beta, but it is in the all new Photoshop generative fill. And I got a fish in the hand. Wow, a fish in the hand. And I got a fish here. That's cool. Look, Mom, I caught a fish. You know, I mean, I don't know. Look at that.
That's wild.
That looks pretty fishy.
All right, that's not fair. That's not fair. Let's just try it one more time because you guys are thinking, wait a second. Maybe he has to like, I don't know. Maybe he has to
just select the arm and not the hand.
Right? Use another AI tool. Object select this, please. Go ahead. Okay. Now we got this piece right here. Oops. Selected. Okay. So now we'll try it again. Koi fish. How about we do tattoo? Make sure they know we're serious.
Yeah.
All right.
Generating.
I want to keep doing that, but it's going to hurt after a while.
Generating.
Wow, that's the best I've gotten. I've tested this before. That is the best I've gotten so far. Now that's pretty good too, though. No, that's pretty good. All right, so sometimes it's complete silliness, right? It's complete silliness. However, there's times where like it is pretty wow. We have this picture here, and on top of generated fill, there's also a fill that I can do with like the crop tool. So the crop tool, as you know, crops. A lot of people know that it crops. I can press enter, it crops, Command Z to go back. Again, I go into the crop tool. What a lot of people didn't always know is that I could also extend the canvas with the crop tool. I could just make my canvas larger. You know, very similar to going image canvas size and making your image larger there, right?
Right.
Boom. Okay. But instead, I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to go to crop and just expand the canvas. And normally, as you can see, it just gives me transparent pixels, nothing, just empty canvas. But I can go to the top here and I can change this from transparent, the default, to the old school content aware fill. That was basically AI, right? But now it's just better. So Generative expands. And now I'm just going to press generate. I'm going to leave everything blank and just let Photoshop do the work.
Yeah.
I do nothing. Bam! I mean, is that crazy? Before,
and then I love the fact that it gives you variations
after,
too, right?
And then we have variations like which kind of mountain. Oh, look at that! It's a bit more full mountain. Oh,
that's
nice.
Not bad. Not bad. Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool.
Awesome.
Pretty stinking cool.
And we can even try to like circle a piece of here, and you know.
And this is generative expand is amazing.
If I did like people hiking up the mountain.
It's a big selection, though, isn't it?
Be a lot of people.
My selection. Judging my selection. Wow.
Godzilla.
Yeah.
All right, that's
No,
not bad. That's kind of what I was picturing. I wish
there you
they
go.
were a
Yeah,
little
that's
bit bigger. Wish the people were a little bit bigger. Ooh, I don't know what's happening there. All right, I'm gonna go with that one. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's cool. Follows the trail.
Yeah.
And then
setting up
what if
base camp.
we also, this is also sort of new, you know, this little doohickey that kind of helps us talking about speed. Like they know what I'm talking about, you know, like as I click different tools and do some selections and stuff, this tool comes to me. What do you want to do? You want to add a mask? You want an adjustment layer? You want to deselect? You want to select? What do you want to do? But I could also take this bar and like reposition it, because it gets in your way, right? So I could just maybe just move it over here and then right click here and just go to, actually, I didn't right click, I lied. I just clicked.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to go to pin the bar position so that it doesn't like follow me wherever I'm going, you know, like leave me alone. Stop being a little puppy. And then maybe right down here, I can select this grass and type in lake with trees, bushes, and reflection. Nice. What we get. Again, every time you do it, it's going to be a little different. It's like rolling the dice. Oh, and cool. Bam! That's not bad. Not bad.
Oh,
that's a nice reflection.
Oh, neat.
I like this one. Not bad. Not bad. All right, we can keep going. What if I did like a?
That's not terrible at all. That's
a whale jumping.
Free whale jumping out of water. Let's see what we get.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.
Not bad.
Ooh.
Okay.
Wow.
Ooh, okay. It's a little bit,
okay.
a little bit hard.
Yeah.
Orca whale, right?
Okay. And what if we did one more, something like over here? Maybe we did like penguins on an iceberg.
Nice. That sounds good. Generating.
Dun, 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 dun.
Pretty soon, I guess we'll be able to do like a few at a time.
They should play music. I think that's the next evolution.
The penguin was about the same size as the whale.
The penguin's not so good, but let's just finish off with, you know, maybe some birds.
I wonder if it takes into account
over the sunset. All right, so you can see that, you know, the hikers look great. Like they actually fit in. And if I had to do that by hand, like actually photoshopping that,
yeah, that's pretty.
Be a while. Be a while. Yeah. Birds. That one's not bad. I don't mind that. Okay, so you get it. Maybe we just do last one. All right, so we've touched on, I forgot to, actually I skipped over the parametric filters. All right, but there we go. Looks pretty good. And let's just start with that. Boom, boom. There we go. So it's an interesting little fun game. It can definitely help with some things, and some things kind of show up kind of goofy. You never know what you're going to get. It's kind of like a box of chocolate.
Pretty cool.
Hope that helped. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and give a thumbs up.